Hi there guys, welcome to Dino's What. I'm here at the Varun Nexa showroom, Begumpet, Hyderabad, and today we're going to feature the Phantom Black color that has been launched for the Grand Vitara. Now please note that this is available only in the top of the line strong hybrid variant, and this is available as a wrap kit. It is not factory fitted. They'll send you the factory wrap kit to the dealer, and the dealer has to get it done for you. So that's the way it is done. And the matte black finish, how it looks, we are here to feature that for you. The standard overview of the Grand Vitara, it is based on the C platform, global C platform, based on their TECT architecture or TECT platform, which is total effective control technology. So and this comes with sturdy body structure as well, Bharat NCAP 5-star safety rating. So the body structure, the overall fit and finish, the build quality is top notch. Then you have the styling, which is regular Grand Vitara. You have LED lighting right over here, projectors right over here, and also all the chrome bits have been blacked out for the Phantom Black. You can see all this is actually chrome, but this has all been blacked out for the Phantom Black variant, which gives it a very stealthy look, super stealthy look, and gives it a mafia kind of a car kind of a feeling. So that is one thing. If you come to the profile, we can see that here you have body, the piano black kind of body cladding and flared wheel arches. You have 17-inch wheels, 215/60, all 4 disc brakes, and beautifully laid out full black alloy wheels. So this all black theme actually elevates the overall design elements and the design silhouette of the super strong hybrid SUV that the Grand Vitara is. And moving on to the profile, here the shoulder line carries the chrome lining across, which is a kind of contrast and adds a little bit of upmarket feel, because really stands out as a premium feature. And then again you have the rear disc brake, and ground clearance is 210 mm, so that is a proper adequate amount of ground clearance to underscore the SUV character. Again you have end-to-end LED tail lamp layout. I'll just quickly turn this on for you. So you can see that once it lights up, it looks super premium, and the tail section really comes alive as a proper SUV in and of itself. Integrated spoilers, stop lamp right over here. You have the shark fin antenna right over there. Suzuki badging boldly imprinted or imbibed on the tail section. The Grand Vitara logo stands out in full 3D chrome texture. Again, the hybrid badging right over here to underscore that this is a strong hybrid. You have the other powertrain is the standard K15 engine. That offers a perfect blend of power and economy. The strong hybrid has an onboard battery, which is a self-charging battery, which is supposed to offer top of the line fuel efficiency figures because of the hybrid tech that defines this. Again, have a look at the rear bumper. This is again kind of piano black. Again, this accentuates the overall design structure of the vehicle. So moving on to the profile, giving you a full 360-degree view. So this is how it looks. If you can just zoom out and give the full view of the vehicle, the profile view looks really premium, has very good road presence, especially in this full Phantom Black color. You can just pan all the way around, such that the full glorious view of the car is evident in all Phantom Black. Trust me, this one looks the best in this full matte black attire. I wish they actually introduced this in other variants as well. But what do you think? Don't you think it looks absolutely super sexy and super stealthy? Feel free to comment below and let me know. This is purely just a walk around of the color variant. I'll give you a detailed quick fire revisit drive review of the Grand Vitara later on, once we get it back home for a proper drive experience. This is just the featurette of the Phantom Black color that has been recently introduced for the strong hybrid top of the line variant. This is how the interior looks. I'll just come around from the other side. You can see the all black treatment elevates the beautiful black theme that underscores this Phantom Black edition, because all black leathered seats and ventilated seats. You have different drive mode to select. Again, then beautifully tried and tested gearbox that offers good seamless shifts. You have massive 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and you have the charging tech that is clearly evident as to how the motor charges the battery while the car is on and up and about. And then it has a 360-degree view camera as well, so that you can have a look once we hit the view button. So we can actually go back home. So once we hit the view button right over there, you can see it does a full 360-degree this thing to give you an idea as to how it, what is happening around the car. So that's very, very good. And another thing is the vivid display. It's a very crystal clear vivid display of what happens around you. This, you just play it, it plays on the outside, and you play this, it plays on the inside, just to highlight any potholes or anything close to the car. So that's a very, very good touch. And then of course, if you slot it, we are in the parking mode, but yeah, hit the brake, slot it into reverse. You can see this is the reversing camera with the parking sensor, dynamic guidelines, and then you can see this is different views, different kind of, that is the rear view, this is the top view, this is another rear view, and then this is the side view. So that is how you get out of it. And then of course here you have all the relevant information. As I told you, proper touchscreen infotainment system, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay included. So here you have all the quick settings options, display settings, and all those things that can be accessed quickly. So that's pretty much it. This is the interior part, and you can just have a look at the steering. I love this satin chrome this thing finish on the this thing. This highlights the premium feel of the car. This is close to 20 lakhs or maybe even more than that. So I love the way they have incorporated that. Also the piano black finish with the satin chrome finish to the aircon controls, and this kind of a bronze finish to the dash, double stitching right over here. Everything screams quality. And then of course you also have a panoramic sunroof, which goes or retracts all the way to the back. So first the sun curtain goes out, and then if you can push the this thing, this again goes all the way to the back. So this is the only, you can see this is the only sunroof that goes all the way back. Others kind of retract somewhere halfway down the line, but then of course you can just leave it as such. This lets in a lot of light into the cabin. Spacious cabin, and especially second row seating spaces, very well managed. Let's have a look at that. As you can see here, we have beautifully laid out sun curtains that really help two functions. One, it prevents the sunlight, that glare to from hitting your face, and it provides a little bit of privacy, especially when you're traveling with your family and your wife and kid in the back seat. So it helps maintain that privacy. Dedicated aircon vents right over here, so all the controls. Two Type-C charging slots for fast charging, double stitching right over here, the chrome door handle right over here, piano black finish. Everything screams premium feel. And then look at the dash from the rear. It does have a sense of nice, well and proportionate and cohesive feel to the dash design. And then of course a lot of light being let in with the panoramic sunroof. More than sufficient legroom, sufficient amount of headroom. So maybe people more than 6'3" might feel a little out of sorts, but up to 6'2" you can feel comfortable. Good under thigh support, good more than sufficient leg room, and you have dedicated headrests for all three passengers, and of course central armrest with cup holders to make things all the more comfy for you while you're traveling on the go. So the Grand Vitara really scores in terms of practicality as well. So not only is it great in terms of features, tech and safety, you have 373 liters of boot space, which is more than sufficient. And if you want to make way for more room, you can fold the 60/40 split seat layout, fold flat to make way for more room, such that you can go camping with your family. You also have a charging slot, charging socket right over here, and a boot light, such that you don't have to grope in the dark. And then of course, and this is because this is a strong hybrid variant, the boot space is slightly taken a hit, so it might be lesser than the 373 liters, which is the standard boot space boot volume for the smart hybrid variant. This is the strong hybrid, so it might be slightly lesser than that. But then of course, this is how the boot looks and it is more than sufficient to carry all your suitcases for your quick airport runs. And talking about the safety part, as I told you, it is Bharat NCAP 5-star safety rated, so sturdy body structure, and you have 6 airbags as standard right from the base variant. That's another good initiative. And then of course the powertrains, as I told you, both are 1.5 liter powertrains. And look at the phantom black color with the LED DRLs. Doesn't it look cool? It looks like a beast lurking in the dark and staring back at you when you look at it in the rear view mirror. Beautiful, stunning persona, very good stance. All they have done is just offered a matte black wrap on this design to elevate the design elements to a different level altogether. Do you like the phantom black color? Feel free to comment below and let me know. Would you want it to be available for other variants as well of the Grand Vitara? Feel free to comment below such that the manufacturer can hear what you have to say. People's voice taken all the way to the manufacturer. We are the ones who are there to bridge the gap, so you can speak your heart out in the comment section. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and drive safe.